Hey guys, welcome back for the next lecture. In this one, we're going to be learning another way to do calculations, specifically how to calculate totals and averages, right? Up till now, we've learned how to do formulas by manually creating them, okay? What I'm showing you this time is how to automatically have them created for you by Excel, right? So let's begin. First, underneath Wednesday, you want to type in total. Then underneath that, you want to type in average. Okay? Now let's just apply a little bit of a border here, just so we can separate it. Let's put a bottom double border. All right? Now, what you want to do is calculate, well, what we want to do is calculate the total of these numbers. Okay, now to do that, you can either go equals this plus this plus this plus this and so on, but that's going to take a bit of time. So what we're going to use is the Autosum function, as you can see here. Okay, to get to it, you go home. Okay, go all the way here to the editing area and then Autosum. Okay, so the way it works is you want to select all the cells that you're going to be adding together, right? Next, you want to go all the way up here to Autosum and press it. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, Excel has filled in this last cell. If we double click, it's set up the formula for us. It's selected which cells it wants to do. It's picked the formula. It's done the syntax and all the formatting and brackets and everything for us, right? So let's do that for the rest of them. Again, select all the cells, go up here and select Autosum. And there you go. Now you don't have to do this one by one. Excel, again, is very, very smart. And one of the things about Excel that you should know is that there are heaps of ways of doing the same thing, right? So we want to select all three remaining columns. This time, let's press Autosum, and look what happens. Excel will automatically calculate. It's set it up all for us, right? We want to do the same thing now for average, right? So we can do it one by one or we can do it in a group. So let's start off by one. Now be careful not to include the total value, as you can see here, because it's going to destroy the formula. Now Excel is really smart. So what it does is it determines the next available cell. So let's start here. Let's figure out what the average is. Now to do this, again, we go Autosum, but this time we have to click on the drop down. Okay? As you can see from the drop down, you have a few different values. Sorry, not values. A few different types of formulas. We're going to click on average. And as you can see, Excel has automatically placed it in the next one without including total. Right? Let's do this for the next one. Select the cells, not including total. Autosum drop down, average. Okay, let's do it again, but this time for a whole group of them. So 7 all the way to 63 for the remaining columns, excluding the totals. Autosum drop down, average. And there you have it. You've calculated the totals and the averages, and that took us maybe 1 minute all up. So the Autosum is a very handy tool, and it's great for beginners. In fact, I still use this. I love these functions because it's just so easy. You select, clicked, done. You don't have to fiddle around. There's nothing worse for the beginner in trying to write a basic formula and it keeps saying error, doesn't understand, computer can't read it. That's when people give up. So functions like this are awesome for the beginner. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time.